Hello, my name is Nina Haley and I'm a yoga teacher here at Tru Yoga in Samia, Kuwait. Today we're practicing Ujjayi breath or Ujjayi Pranayama. And this is one of the most basic pranayama practices that you'll utilize throughout your whole entire yoga journey. So come into a comfortable seated position, whether that's sitting cross-legged in Sukhasana or Siddhasana, or maybe if Virasana is more comfortable for you, using blankets and blocks and pillows underneath of your buttocks to make sure that your pelvis is in a nice neutral position and so that your spine is nice and long, that you're not rounded through the spine, collapsing into the shoulders, but sitting up nice and tall. So to begin with Ujjayi breath, we'll do it in 3 stages. So the first stage is to just come into the natural rhythm of your breath, inhaling through your nose and exhaling out of your mouth. We'll start by getting you in tune with your throat muscles and with the glottis, and actually learning how to kind of close off the back of the throat to resonate sound through the throat and through the mouth. So inhaling through the nose and exhaling out of the mouth. We'll do that 2 more times. And again. Good. So with these inhales and exhales, on the inhales, softening through your abdomen so that there's a bulging or an expansion of the abdomen, and then on the exhale, contraction that happens across the abdomen. So now we'll reverse the breath and we'll inhale through the mouth, that sound, resonating that sound in the back of the throat, and then just exhale and release the breath. Okay, so we'll do 3. So inhaling through an open mouth and just exhaling through the nose. And again. Last time. Good. Now we'll put both of those breaths together, the inhalation and the exhalation, but this time with the teeth together and the tongue resting against the teeth at the bottom of the mouth. Good. So you'll still have that sound resonating on the inhales and through the exhales, but the teeth will be together and both on the inhale and both on the exhale. So taking a breath in. Two more. Last one. Good. For this last one, teeth are together, lips are sealed, tongue is resting behind the teeth, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose, but allowing that sound to still resonate from the throat. So we'll do 3, okay? So teeth together, but not clenching. Tongue behind the teeth, lips are sealed, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose. One more. And that's Ujjayi breath. We'll try 5 more rounds of Ujjayi breath on your own with your own pace. So we'll come into Gyan Mudra. bringing the thumb and the index finger so that they're touching. Backs of the hands are resting on the tops of the thighs or maybe the knees, depending on how you're seated. And you can keep the eyes softly open, gazing at the tip of the nose or at the floor, or you can close the eyes here. So teeth are together. We're not clenching the teeth. The tongue is behind the teeth. The lips are sealed. And we're inhaling and exhaling through the nose. So just getting used to that sound that resonates from the throat and from that sensation of closing off the back of the throat. So here we go. Nice deep inhale through the nose. Then exhale. Four more at your own pace. One more breath. Softly opening up the eyes whenever you're ready. Coming back into that natural, easy rhythm of the breath. And that's Ujjayi breath. Thanks for joining me. And I hope that you utilize this pranayama throughout your yoga asana practices. Thanks for watching.